I have a Goodman A42-15 I am replacing the blower motor. The old one has two brown to the capacitor, green ground, a black and a purple. The red wire is not hooked up. The new motor I received has a yellow wire, brown with white stripe, a red, black, blue, yellow and two black and white wires connected together. How do I hook this up?
Hello. My name is XXXXX I'll do my best to help. Troubleshooting often requires meters and test equipment. Let's get started and see what we can do. Can you give me a number on your new motor?
FM 1065 maybe. It is a Century F48N85A01. That may be what you are looking for.
Give me a few minutes to check those numbers to see what I have. Okay, the smaller black and whites that are connected together determine the rotation of the motor. Now it looks like you are saying two yellows in your original question. Please clear that up XXXXXX41552.090140625. Please relist each wire color besides those smaller white and black.
I can upload a picture if needed.
That will be great.
Here is the old one.
Excellent. The black will be high speed. Connect it where your old black was. Yellow will be common. Connect it where your purple was. The two wires with spade connectors will go to the capacitor. The blue wire and red wire are for medium and low speeds and will not be used. Tape them or wire nut them as dead-ended wires. Now once you get everything connected, turn on power and allow blower to start. Then turn it off and watch the blower wheel as it slows down to verify the blower wheel is turning in right direction. If so, you are done. If blower wheel is turning wrong direction, simply unplug the small black and white wire connectors and turn them around, white to black and black to white. That reverses the direction motor turns.
We do not have a crimper for the spades. Can we cut the spades off the old ones and solder the spades to the new wire? Also on the capacitor the two wires, one is solid brown and the other has a white line. Does it matter or are they the same and can be connected to either terminal?
Easiest thing to do on that black and yellow is to cut the wires from old motor about 6 or 8 inches back from the spade terminals and then make a splice with wire nuts. As for the capacitor, it will not matter which wire goes to which terminal.
Okay, so wire nuts are better than trying to solder. Sorry, transcribing for husband.
Absolutely. If you solder, you will still need to insulate the connection. I always wire nut. XXXXXX41552.11719415551.
Husband says he has the proper insulation and heat shrink. He asked if it would work that way as he dislikes wire nuts, but he does usually work with DC current.
That is fine. If he has heat shrink, he can solder.
Do you mind if I leave this open for a moment in case anything else comes up while we install? You have been really helpful so far.
No problem, I have to step away, but we'll check in when I get back.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.